So before we can start actually programming, I want to take a little bit of time and talk about what we will actually be covering in this course. So first of all, JavaScript is like a language, and like a language, it has its own grammar. Sort of similar to the English language, another word we can call it is syntax. The syntax is JavaScript's commands, words, and punctuation. Remember when you were younger and you didn't understand English or whatever your primary language was? You went to school and studied. At first the words didn't make much sense, but eventually words made sense more together, grammar was added, and sentences started to form. Before you knew it, you could write a paragraph, or even eventually a novel. This is exactly the same process you grow through when you learn JavaScript or any online programming language. Nothing makes sense at first, but eventually you have no problems working with JavaScript. It just takes time. Keep in mind that every programming language has its own syntax, just like the English language that we speak in our day-to-day lives. Throughout this course, we are also going to be covering many programming concepts that are related to JavaScript and many other online languages. You will be learning about all kinds of exciting things such as strings, variables, statements, HTML, and much more. These concepts can then be applied to other languages online, making this course an excellent solution to anyone just getting started with learning web development. By the end of this course, I bet I can have you even talking like a seasoned programmer, as we will be covering all of that as well. For example, now you know what syntax means. With this course, you will also learn the best practices and proven ways to make your programs perform all the best they can. Last but not least, you will of course be doing a lot of programming in this course. By the end of the next video, you will be creating your very first JavaScript program, so you're going to learn a lot. I can definitely assure you of that. So, alright, grab yourself some Java, no pun intended, and let's get started. Let's learn some JavaScript.